Hi guys! So this week on Holidays with Ken, it is all about giving. If you want to see everyone else's giving stories, be sure to check the playlist in the description. So many of you probably want to know how I give to Corey, my husband, and here's what we do. It's actually very simple. My husband just loves spending time with his family and he loves food. So basically what I do is we just go on vacation. My way of giving to Corey is just planning a really nice, fun vacation around the holidays, and we eat and eat and eat. So another way that I give during the holidays is, I give gifts and the gifts just keep on coming to my family. And it can get pretty ridiculous at times. So what we've done is we've narrowed it down to 2 to 3 gifts to each person. There's a total of 6 of us in the family. So I will give 2 gifts to my brothers, to my mom, to my dad, to my nephew, to my niece. The only person that I don't give just 2 to 3 gifts to is my sister. We'll give like each other maybe 7 to 9 gifts, and she's so funny because she'll be like, Tia, so I got you about 7 or 9 gifts this year. I'm like, oh, okay, so I'm gonna give you 7 to 9 gifts. Like, it has to be equally the same. It's so weird. So if she gives me 5 gifts, I'm gonna give her 5 gifts. I don't know why we do that. Call it a twin thing, I guess. My family, we have so much fun during the holidays. We really look forward to eating, drinking, or just opening up gifts, and it's just a load of fun. So one tip, if you think about giving this year, is never, ever wrap a pair of socks. I remember I bought my son some socks for Christmas, and I wrapped them up very nicely because he needed them, and it was not a good idea. So no socks for no one during Christmas. Another way that I give back is I give gifts to my production crew. So, I just finished shooting 2 Christmas movies, and I'm also on a television show right now called Family Reunion that will be on Netflix soon. Shameless plug. When we finished the movie, what I did was I just got this food truck, right? And this food truck had hot chocolate, this food truck had really cool waffles. I just treated the whole crew and they loved it. I just think it's a great way to give back because we all work so hard to create such a great project together. And you can do the same with the people you work with. You can give them cookies, you can give them pizza, coffee. I don't know why I said it in a New York accent. So one way during the holidays that I like to give back is my family, including my son, my husband. What we love to do is we love to wrap up some gifts and give them away to charity. So this year, Kid and myself, we are joining up with Toys for Tots to give toys to the less fortunate kids all across the country. I really like to do this with my son, Cree, just to teach him about giving back in any kind of way during the holidays. And I actually have fun just going to a store, picking out some toys that we think that children would love, or even toys that Cree loves. We go home, we wrap them up, and we drop them off at a location. You could totally do the same. Find your nearest drop-off location, or if you want to make a donation, make sure you click the link in the description below. Another way that I love to give during the holidays is just to give my time. I did this a lot with my sister, especially during the sister days when we were on television. We would just volunteer our time at the children's hospital. Kids in the hospital, they're not feeling well, and they really want to be home for the holidays, but they can't. So my sister and myself, we would actually go to the hospital and we would just volunteer our time during the holidays, whether that was playing with them, like toys, giving them gifts, or even just reading books with them. They love that. So if you want to do that, you could totally call your children's hospital nearest you and see if they're accepting volunteers. I'd love to see ways on how you guys give back during the holidays. Drop a line in the comment below and make sure you follow Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. And don't forget to check out the Holidays with Ken playlist in the description.